Hello guys, my name is Asurana and I am doing this internship at Spark Foundation, which is on data science and business analytics. In this internship we are going to predict the score of a student based on the number of hours he or she studies. So let's start it. So this is the data which has been provided. These are the scores and hours, as you can see. So there are two variables, scores and hours. Based on the hours, the score of a student changes. So we have to import these four libraries: pandas for data manipulation, numpy for numerical and scientific computing, and for visualization we are importing matplotlib and seaborn. After that we have to fetch all the data, and we are storing the data into URL. And after that we are giving that data into data, so data variable. And after that we are printing the number of rows and columns. After that, we using head function, we are printing 5 rows of the data. After that we are describing it, giving its basic details, count, mean, as you can study. And this, after this, we are also using information function to show how many entries are there are no null values, etc. What are the type of these hours and scores columns. These are float and these are integer. As you can see, hours are for float and score are integer. And we are doing this scatter plot. So you can see, as there is a linear relationship between this hour and scores. As the hours increases, so scores also increases. So after that we are finding this correlation coefficient which has value 0.976, which is close to 1. So this shows hours is directly proportional to score, and also there is this linear relationship. So we are doing this distribution plot on hours and scores. It gets us what are the ranges of these hours and scores. After that we are doing this linear regression analysis. So we have to get all the values of the data in x and y accordingly. So in x we are getting the number of hours, and in y we are getting the score of the student. So after that we are splitting our data into two data set, where trained data set contains 80% of data and test data set contains 20% of data. And we are doing this regression analysis, in which we are getting two outputs. These two outputs are one is the slope and other is the intercept. So as you can see, slope is shown by m, and intercept is shown by c. So we are plotting this as a scatter plot, and after that we are predicting the values of the score. So yeah, we are using this function y dash predict and dot is equal to regression dot predict x test. So after that we have shown this predicted value and test values. So we have to we are predicting all the values. After that we are doing a distribution plot on these test and on the difference between test and predicted value. So as you can see, the range there is this mean is around 0 and range is -5 to 5. So it's a good sign, and we can do regression analysis. So we are predicting, after that we are predicting the score of a student if he or she studies 9.25 hours per day. So we are using this function, predict function, and we are giving the values of hours. And as you can see, for 9.2 hours we have shown that 91.56% of the student will get. And after that we are showing this mean absolute error. So we are finding what can be the error that we have used in this, that using this regression method, analysis method, what will be the error. So the error is very low, and we can go ahead, and this error is 4.59%.